video scrapbook that will help take our projects from someday to today.
We're your typical odd couple with too many old cars and new projects.
Between the two of us,
It's always something. This week we turned our attention to a pair of green chairs that we've had for years. We love the design and the fabric, but haven't really allowed ourselves to enjoy sitting in the chairs. When we got them, the seam was already gently torn and the wood was somewhat dry and damaged. We didn't want to make anything worse. But there's no point in having something that you can't enjoy. And so here we are, repairing the chairs, doing a mild restoration, and getting them living room ready. We hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So why are you spraying it?
These are a little rusty. I don't want to have to fight them all the way loose.
So we're taking them all the way apart?
Yeah, this wood has to come off before we can sand it. Redo those upholsteries coming loose. We have to fix that, so it all has to come apart, basically.
Up to it. Yeah.
These should just come loose pretty easily since they've been soaking.
The old WD-40.
Surprised it's only 2 bolts holding this on.
Yeah. You see them?
But this material is so cool. Where are you going to find material like this again?
Yeah.
I'm glad it's in good shape because if it wasn't, we would just have to do it in something else. I don't know if you could find this.
You'd have it made, but it'd be super expensive.
That's nice. Right here, back side, I guess. Careful not to tear into this material.
Yeah. We're gonna try and save those 2.
If we can, but we can get these.
Yeah, we can replace them.
Yeah. So they're probably all gonna be. Anyway, that's what we'll do is take this back loose and there should be a screw or something from the back side. Somewhere about right here.
Alright then.
On this one we're going to have to do a little bit of repair work. Somehow that happened. I don't know if it was intentional or if... I assume it was, but a nail got in there somehow, so we're gonna have to get that out, fill the hole, and try to smooth that out as best we can. So, that'll take a little bit extra time, but we gotta do it. so we've got this, for the most part, we've got the cover stapled back on. If you want to go around the front side, you can kind of take a look. It's looking pretty good.
Very good. Look at this. Look at the stain. Look how lovely it is. Look at what you did. Anyway.
When you fold this over, let's say you're gonna do that, right? See where your staples are holding it on, it would just look horrible. You know? And you could do a little bit better than that, but you know.
So what do we do instead?
So what we do is we use this stuff here, and I have no idea what it's called.
It's like
but you staple it.
Stuff.
Yeah, you just staple it along the edge here, right? And then it gives you a nice clean edge when that folds under to staple to the bottom side.
Nice.
Cool. So that's what we'll do.
Let me hold that really fast.
I got it.
Kabam. Woo! Nice.
Now we just staple this thing down here, and start putting our bags in, or our little, well, I don't know if that's what they're called. Okay, this is the finishing touch for these chairs. It's these little tacks, and they suck putting in. They are just not fun. About half the time you smash your fingers. The other half
or bend the tack.
The other time they bend the tack. You just want to tap. You don't want to go all crazy with it. You don't want to.
Well, because they're decorative, they're not functional.
Yeah, you don't want to beat the hell out of it. But just a nice tap, and then I didn't go to school for this, so. But it's gonna be done, and it's gonna look good. It's gonna be a nice, comfortable chair for people to sit in.
Yeah.
So let's just. That one's gonna bend already, I can tell.
Yeah.
Ah.